We wanted the house to be as simple as possible while not compromising with the grandeur of the house. Shri Shri Vaishnavi is known for its huge volumetric form. The gist of the house is the triple height courtyard, which helps in overlooking from all the floors of the house. Located at a condominium in the city of Solapur, Maharashtra, more precisely in the Jule Solapur area. The design of the house is conditioned by immediate surroundings. Located in a high density residential area and surrounded by plots with built bungalows of ground plus 1 and 2 structures. The first impulse that appears is to create a sort of fortress to protect the privacy of the occupants.
So the brief was very crisp, very small, but yet it was elaborate.
We have a joint family basically. So we are looking for a place where it would accommodate all of us. And I wanted a comfortable home basically, which was Vastu-Compliant. I didn't want to look out onto other people's homes. So we created a green barrier between us and the rest of the world.
One of the main briefs that we had, like all of us, there are about 15 of us living together as a joint family, around 4 families living together. So each of our family, we wanted an individual space, but yet we didn't want to feel disconnected.
And we wanted big spaces. The bedrooms, I wanted them to be spacious, lots of breathing space. A large kitchen was a necessity and a huge dining room.
The client came up with 2 different plots. Initially, we have to amalgamate both the plots and make a big plot to build the house. We enter the house through the southeast part of the plot. As we enter the house, we are welcomed by the grand entrance space by its volume. And also, we have cladded the wall with a mint stone, which gives a different experience while entering the house. On the east side, we have kept the maximum setbacks, while on the south, west and north, the minimum setbacks has been provided. As per the principle of Vastu, we have provided a water body with mural on the northeast part of the plot. The sight of the water gives a soothing effect while entering the house. Basically, we have divided the house vertically into 2 different zones. The ground floor comprises of the public areas, the visitor zone, while the first floor and the upper floors are meant for the family members. As this house is designed on the basic principle of Vastu, we have made a grid of 9 parts throughout the building. As we enter through the main gate, a huge living space for the visitors has been designed. A small library and a puja was designed in the ground floor living areas. Moving forward, we have designed a multi-purpose room, that is the AV room and recreational space and a small bar in the ground floor. As we have designed the AV room in the multi-purpose manner, the interesting part is that we have designed a sliding windows on both the openings. So basically, if we are watching the movies, we can close the windows and have a cozy environment and watch the movie. And while we are doing different activities, recreational activities, then whole openings can be opened and the whole area opens into the beautifully cladded wall, which helps in maintaining the privacy of the area. The vertical movement of the building has been catered with a staircase and a lift in the south central quadrant. As we climb vertically through the staircase, we arrive at the first floor, which is totally meant for the family persons. An open plan was used to design this house. The house can be connected vertically also and horizontally. In the both directions, the house is very well connected. In the north direction, on all the levels, we have provided with full glass so that the north side reflected glass can come in the house. This also brings grandeur to the space.
As per our ideology, we have used single natural marble stone throughout the living area and from here to the upper stairs of the house. Also, to add beauty to this house, we have crafted a beautiful design mural with an unique element of angular lines. The same pattern is used in all the different parts of the house, like window grills and main entrance gate and all the sides of the facade of the house.
This huge triple height family space opens up into an terrace which is on north side, and also it opens up into the dining which is on the east side, so as to maintain the privacy of the kitchen as well as so as to have the interaction between the kitchen and the dining. We have designed a partition in such a way that by the glass we may get the visual transparency in the kitchen and dining. As per the requirement, a relatively big dining table has been designed. As we did not wanted to pop up the dining table, so we have gone with the same texture, same tone of the top stone as of the flooring. In the partition, again we have used the same natural veneer. Along with that, we have used profile frosted glass shutters for the display unit. With the same principle of Vastu, we have divided this floor in 9 quadrants. Each quadrant has its own values. In the southeast corner, we have provided kitchen. In the northeast corner, a parent's room has been designed. Also, a small TV room has been designed in this floor. In the southwest corner, a master bedroom has been designed with a huge walk-in wardrobe and attached toilet. Relatively smaller size of the windows has been designed in this bedroom so as to reduce the solar heat gain.
To add glamour for this beautiful design of the master bedroom, we have used this resin artwork in the back of the bed. And for this design, we have also used these slanting lines, and metal inlay of golden strips is used. And same design we have used in our window grills also.
Moving forward with the washroom of the master bedroom, a beautiful hand-fit mosaic tiles has been used in the bathroom. The same material has also been inlaid in the flooring pattern. The second and the third floor sounds same. On both of the floors, we have provided a master bedroom in the southwest corner with attached walk-in wardrobe and a toilet to it. And we have also provided a guest room with attached toilet and a walk-in wardrobe. To add to this, in the southeast corner, we have provided a kids room and walk-in wardrobe with an attached toilet to it. On both of the floors, all the 3 rooms open up into the small family space, which has been again ventilated through the terrace on the northeast quadrant and a huge window in the east side. A seamless sliding partition has been designed in between the kids' room and a family lounge. All the 3 rooms open up in this family area. A special partition of seamless glass has been designed so that the kids' bedroom can be extended in the family, and also the family area can be extended into the kids' room. A low-level sitting platform has been designed in the east side of the bedroom. Also, through the north window, they can enjoy the view of the lower terrace.
Again, the unique pattern of angular lines is designed in the ceiling area, which is similar to the window grill, and it reflects in the TV unit or in the room as well.
A narrow slit has been provided in the south side of the bedroom, which is at the ceiling level. This helps in reducing the south glare of the sun. We have used bright colors in the kids' bedroom. This adds to the cheerfulness of the room. As we move on to the top floor, which is of 4th floor, this floor open up into a huge terrace. The terrace has been provided with a lap pool in the northeast corner. The lap pool has been designed on the top floor so as to have the privacy, and also it has been designed in such a way that it gives a feel of infinity pool. A partially shaded gazebo has been provided on the terrace at which they can meditate, and also a partially shaded portion has been designed where the family's persons can have sitting and enjoy their evenings. Glare-free daylight is easily available in the north and east facade of the building. Hence, maximum openings and wide openings has been provided in the north and east side. As we look into the building in the front facade, that is of the south side, we have minimized the size of the windows, and that too we have provided with the recessed windows. Great care has been taken while planning, as we have designed the staircase, the toilet on the south side of the building. This helps in reducing the heat gain. The facade has been treated with an unique CNC metal cut jali with an element of angular lines. The south and west side of the facade has been provided with cavity wall. This also helps in reducing the solar heat gain. The terracotta jali, which has been provided in the front facade in the wet kitchen balcony, this gives an warmth and earthy aesthetics to the facade. Overall, we have tried to keep the elevation very simple and geometric by using the material palette very responsive to the nature. We have rainwater harvesting system done so as to take care of the rainwater flowing to the terraces and balconies. Elaborated solar system has been installed to cater the electric requirements of the house.
हमारे आइडियोलॉजी के हिसाब से हम लोगों ने मतलब जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर एरिया है जहाँ पे फैमिली और ये है वो एरिया में थोड़ा डार्क इटालियन मार्बल यूज़ किया है और बाकी के पूरे फ्लोर्स में वहाँ पे थोड़ा लाइट कलर का शेड है, तो उसके लिए एक यूनिटी डेवलप होने के लिए वहाँ पे सब फ्लोर्स में एक सिंगल यूज़ किया हुआ है। एंड बाकी फर्नीचर इसमें पूरा मतलब सब तो पेंट सब कलर्स जो है सब एकदम लाइट एंड वार्म कलर्स यूज़ किए हुए हैं। एंड विद दैट कलर्स वी हैव मैच्ड वुडन पूरा मतलब विनियर मैच किया हुआ है। एंड टू हाईलाइट वी हैव यूज्ड मेनी डार्क कलर्स इन बिटवीन लाइक सोफा के लिए है या सीटिंग्स। एंड अगेन मतलब बच्चों के रूम में है वहाँ पे डार्क कलर की सीटिंग्स किए हुए हैं, कहाँ पे ग्रीन डार्क कलर, डार्क ब्लू कलर, वैसे अलग अलग जो हाईलाइट करते हैं वैसे कलर्स यूज़ किए हुए हैं। फिर एवी रूम में जो फ्लोरिंग यूज़ किया हुआ है दैट इज़ वुडन फ्लोरिंग फॉर काम फीलिंग।
While designing bathrooms, we have also taken a great care. For different areas, we have tried to use different designs. In the AV room, the space has to be more like a party space, live space. So we have tried to use golden, metallic and freestanding basins in this area. While in the dining, we have used a freestanding basin, and in the master bedroom, so as to get the warmth of the place, we have used different mosaic tiles in the wall, and same has been incorporated in the flooring. Unique lighting has added new dimension to the spaces. It's all about the balance of light and shade and bringing new energy to the interior. To add grandeur to the triple height central space, we have specially designed and chandelier which is of circular forms. The two rings overlap one above the other, and it has been designed in such a way that the lights has been provided in both the directions, partly in the upward direction and partly in the lower direction. We have tried to design all the spaces in such a way that it may not fade with the time. It should be timeless. And as now the 4 generations are living together and enjoying each and every space, this building should last, and the future 2-3 generations also should enjoy these beautiful spaces.